Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of camera GoPro Hero 13 that I've got on Black Friday. So I've got the GoPro Hero 13 accessory bundle, and it costed more cheaper, and it comes with few things, so I will show you. It says, while your GoPro Hero charging, when what? Your shots auto-upload to the cloud, and when a highlight video is sent to you. Oh, I didn't know. You can also edit your footage with a quick mobile and desktop app. That's only available with GoPro subscription. On here. So here is the case. It's like this. I like the smell. Let's open it. I'm filming on this new camera, so I'm checking how it's autofocus going on. Wow, this is what it comes with. Even we have tips for cold weather. Pro tips for best cold weather performance. See? Then they come with some stickers. So sticker. Unlock premium editing tools at quick mobile and desktop. Up to 50 off accessories and store 100 off your next camera at GoPro.com. Then it comes with that mini card, sun disk, see, now I'm focused on my face. Oh, I have to touch it? I don't know. Oh, I'm too close. Okay. Why this camera don't focus? I have to check. Let's continue recording and see how it goes. So, sun disk. Then it comes with this, which is tripod. Nice grip. It has foam here. Here you slide it. Then many accessories and camera itself. Next, it comes with this accessory. Then it comes with 2 batteries. This might be too easier to take it out, right? Cable. This thing. Some what's in here? These things are probably to attach to camera, right? So here's a sticker. Two of them. And this also, I don't know how this works. It says camera has to be updated before you can use. So let's take off those things from those lenses. How you put a new battery? Have to figure it out. So whereas I have to unbox also this. Be right back. Okay, it's unboxed. Almost. So hard. Because it's so small. How I charge this? Probably with this cable, right? First they say to install app on the phone. Okay, so I will do it. So I open it. Because you have to pull it, like press it or pull it. Now I don't know how, but let's put battery inside, like so. And let's put this SIM card in. Yes, it's inside here. Then they say to charge it. So now it's probably not a good idea. So I will charge it now. Okay. But this camera is weird because when I want to zoom on something like here on this GoPro camera, like so, will it be in focus or not? have to touch screen and now it's in focus. Why it's not doing an automatically? And now my face is not in focus. See, that's what I mean. Should be automatic. I will change to different one, to automatic mode maybe. Let's see how it's in automatic mode. Yeah, I think that's why. See? Camera in focus, face in focus. Yay! So I'm still learning my Sony Alpha. That's why this is in focus, now this in focus. Oh, my face in focus, now this. Aha. So now I'm knowing. Do not film in manual mode when I'm unboxing. So I will charge this, and I still didn't figure out how to connect this with this, and this. I don't know how to connect all those accessories. Hope I will figure out. Okay, bye. I will connect later. This is what I'm doing now on that app. Updating camera. I connected to quick. Yeah, so I will continue doing it. Showing that it's installing. Okay, update completed.